and welcome back to Galatians Designs. So today's video is part 2 or stage 2 in designing your own jewelry, which is the themed clothespin. Okay, designing jewelry clothespin. So our first step was getting our images for inspiration, and to gain ideas matched with your own unique concepts. So we've chosen our images. And from the images what we've chosen, I've also just scribbled, it doesn't have to be perfect, just like okay, I scribbled down a few sketches for ideas. That's what I'd like to do, which is idea 1, idea 2, which is to embellish only. So first step is, okay, fine, let's start again. Okay, so first we take our clothespin, right, and we're breaking down our clothespin in sections where I could use the this part here, which is this part here, and to just put a bead on there, and make it into earring beads or whatever. Just add ear hook, and that's that. And our next step, or other idea, could be using the wooden part. So the first part was using the metal part to just design earrings from, and then the second part is to use the wooden bit and to make earrings from. And then from this first earring, I've got another idea in 1 and 2 parts where I just would scribble on here the words Amazing Grace, or it's the same concept, how I'd put it together as a cross using the wooden piece, and then embellish. So these are the ideas that I'm playing with, and to design your jewelry, this is basically how you go with that. You just scribble, you just go through your ideas. So for example, you'll have like a little sketch pad. So this is my designs sketch pad. Okay, so I'm just gonna show you a bit of that. So when I'm painting on rocks, you just gather up your ideas. And, if you want to use different materials or mediums, you play around with your ideas and illustrate that. Now this one again is botanicals. Okay, so I'll take images. You might be inspired by an artist, like I am. I love Van Gogh. Okay, Van Gogh again. It's two famous paintings. And also, you do a little sketch from other stuff. Okay, well, you get the idea. So you have to try and get yourself a sketchbook. And once you've got yourself a sketchbook, then you can take things from there and sketch out your ideas. And document them, document them in your sketch pad, in your sketchbook, right? And you develop your designs from there, and it's simple, right? So my chosen design then would be my final design as to what I would be making. So I haven't really come up with that yet because I like everything, right, that I've thought of right here. But I think I might do let's think about this. I might do the cross. I think I'm going to do this one. So I'm going to stick with this, right? Number 2. Right? And you'll see how that's made in the next video. So you can develop your sketch, your illustration to further say here. It doesn't have to be, it's just going to be wooden things, right? So that's the cross here. To further say quite a few stuff that I could play around with. I could use sequins, glitter, I could use gemstones, the list goes on. So I could have mixed media, I can use glitter, sequins, gemstones, and just play around with those ideas. Just play around with each. fun like that anyways, so and you'll see what you come up with. So anyways, thank you all for watching. So thank you, stay tuned.